Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Keir Starmer, has raised serious concerns over Russian President Putin joining Trump's Board of Peace. In an interview with Channel 4 News, Starmer said he obviously had concerns about Putin being a part of the Board of Peace. Starmer said Putin was waging a war on a European country and raining down bombs on Ukraine. The UK PM also talked about how people were struggling to survive in minus 20 degrees with 60% of the energy in Kyiv gone. He said the people in Ukraine resorted to setting up tents in their living rooms to keep warm. Starmer said events over the last week shouldn't deflect their focus as they needed to work with Americans, their allies, and others to defend and support Ukraine in their conflict with Russia, which wasn't of their own making. This comes as Russian envoy Kirill Dmitriev said President Vladimir Putin held an important discussion with 3 US envoys at late-night talks in Kremlin. Dmitriev took part in the discussions on the Russian side along with Kremlin foreign policy aide Yuri Ushakov. He shared the information on X without divulging details. The Russian president had, however, earlier shared that Russia was mulling joining Trump's Board of Peace and was even ready to pay $1 billion from the funds frozen in the United States. The Russian president had confirmed that this matter would be discussed with the US envoys in Moscow.
Today, we'll discuss the current situation in the Gaza Strip, Palestine in general, and Israeli-Palestinian relations. We will also speak about the U.S. President's initiatives to create a new structure, which, according to what we see, is aimed primarily at resolving the situation in Palestine and in Gaza. We are ready to send $1 billion from the funds frozen in the United States under the previous administration to this new structure, the Board of Peace, first and foremost in order to support the Palestinian people and use these funds for reconstruction of Gaza and solution of Palestine's problems. I think this is quite possible. We used to discuss such options earlier with members of the American administration, and today we plan to discuss this issue at a meeting in Moscow.